Pero para naman sabihin mo sa akin na mag-antay ako hanggang maputi na ang uwak, iba naman ang usapan nun. So I'm just saying that we can be reasonable here, but when we know that we are dealing with people who have no intentions of honoring the rights of women, then I also have to stand up to fight for these rights. I will proceed with Senator Recto's amendments on Monday. And then after that, there will only be Senator Enrile, but of course Senator Tito Soto, who had repeatedly told me in the past that after his turno en contra, tapos na siya. So I don't know why suddenly meron pa siya, pero karapatan din naman niya. Then I think it is reasonable to give them a day. And I will give them a day. At hanggang sa sumikat ang araw kinabukasan, I will be available. Makikiusap ako sa iba kong colleagues to take turns being the presiding officer para matapos. I'll do that para matapos naman to because we all know every day that I patiently wait is one more day that this bill will be delayed. And I know, as they know, and they know who I'm talking about, their objective is not to bring this to a vote. And I will not agree. I think every senator should be held accountable for the vote that they make for the future of every Filipina in this country.